Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add Siri shortcuts to the Calm application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile button down below, which is the third option. Then click on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Siri shortcuts. Here you can find a bunch of phrases that you can add. So all you have to do is just tapping on the add button next to the phrase. Here you can see the preset phrase that you need to say to Siri in order to do an instruction or follow your instructions, such as play the daily Calm. You can change the voice phrase by tapping on the change voice phrase button, and then you should add your customized instruction and click on the done button to edit. Add as many as you would like to, just simply tap on it and click on the add button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.